In the Information Design tool, you can view the relationship between local resources. When working with multiple resources within one local project, identifying local dependencies can be a helpful way to find out the relationship. In this tutorial, you will show local dependencies between the universe resources. Note that this tutorial was recorded using SAP Business Objects Information Design Tool 4.0, version 14.0.0, v 2010-1019-0760. To navigate, use the viewer controls or follow the on-screen instructions, if available. View local dependencies for the data foundation. Right-click the Club DFX Data Foundation. Select Show Local Dependencies. The Dependent Resources tab lists the resources in the same local project that depend on the selected resource. The Club business layer is built on the Club Data Foundation, and therefore appears as a dependent resource. Click the Reference Resources tab. The Reference Resources tab lists the resources in the same local project that are referenced by the selected resource. The Club database uses the Club connection to get access to tables in the data source, and the Club connection therefore appears as a referenced resource. Click OK. Next, view the local dependencies for a connection. Right-click the Club CNX connection. Select Show Local Dependencies. The Club connection is utilized by both the Club Data Foundation and the Club business layer. Therefore, both appear as dependent resources. Click the Reference Resources tab. The connection is the first resource that is created in a project, and therefore does not have any referenced resources. Click OK. Finally, view the local dependencies for a business layer. Right-click the Club BLX business layer. Select Show Local Dependencies. The business layer is the last resource that is created in a project, and therefore does not have any dependent resources. Click the Reference Resources tab. The Club business layer is referenced by both the Club Data Foundation and the Club connection. Therefore, both appear as referenced resources. Click OK. You have successfully identified the local dependencies between universe resources. This is the end of the tutorial.